So I'm Tech Geek and you're wondering, Tech, how the heck can I get Fritzing for free without using a single penny? So let's rewind a month ago where I upload my video and I was chilling wondering how can I make a fancy circuit model using virtual design. So my quest began and I started searching on Google like any other teenager in 2021, and I found out a lot of softwares, but the day was finished because I had done a lot of research and it was a lot of data because I found a lot of softwares, like for an example ECADA, and in the mix I found Fritzing. I didn't really care about it much because in the first place because it was in the bottom of my list because it didn't have much functions, I thought, but you will see later in the video what Fritzing can do. So as my second day start, I start to download a software called ECADA and it was all going perfect, but I soon discovered the software is virtual designing, but wait for it, it is circuit schematic designer because it won't work for us. It is a schematic, it is not a virtual module. So after the terrible day, I got mad and I stopped working for the day 2, and then day 3 came like an angel, and day 3 was my lucky day and I found a software called Fritzing, and I soon looked at the website and I found out that it is virtual model designing. So I got excited, but my lucky day was for a little bit because I soon discovered that the software is pay to get. That means you need $5 to get the software. It is not free in the official software. So I found more softwares, but the problem was those are not virtual models. Then I tried to search on Google for more softwares, but it didn't work. So I come back to Fritzing and I didn't give up and I searched for the internet for literally 30 minutes being the Google Assistant, and bam! I found something in Google. It was an article and it explains all of the things you need to know when you have to get Fritzing for free. So you need a zip file and winrar for this to work. So the file is in the description, so you can go ahead and download both of them. After you download both of them, extract the zip file and there will be a folder called Fritzing, and right click on it and click run as admin. Then shabam, you can get Fritzing for absolutely free. So right click on the Fritzing zip file and after that click open with winrar. Then click this file. After that double click on this file. So gamers, do you wanna play some Minecraft with me? So join our SMP, Tech Geek SMP. Link is in the description. That is our Discord server. So I hope you like my video. See you next time.